Too many keys to carry? Tired of constantly losing keys? Did you forget to lock your door on your way out again? Wish there was a faster and easier way to unlock your door? Introducing KeyWe Smart Digital Door Lock. It's time to go smart keyless. The futuristic smart digital door lock that is as secure as it is convenient. Suitable for any doors. Have a peace of mind with a smart door lock that keeps you connected using only your smartphone. Time and home security is constantly changing for the better. With KeyWe Digital Smart Door Lock, you'll be at ease knowing you're in full control of your home's access and security. KeyWe Digital Door Lock will send a notification directly to your smartphone when it is unlocked. There are various ways to access the KeyWe Door Lock: passcode, fingerprint, RFID card, or an override key in case of emergency. Smart KeyWe Access. Smart KeyWe securely unlocks the door lock for you automatically as you approach the door with your smartphone. Bluetooth Unlock. Conveniently unlock the KeyWe door lock using the KeyWe app installed on your smartphone. Send virtual key. Have visiting family or friends while you're away? Send a virtual guest key to their phone for a scheduled time and duration of their visit. With KeyWe, when you're always on the go, you'll have a peace of mind and security for your home.
KeyWe for a smarter life.
KeyWe for a smarter life.